And how was it possible to celebrate? Dear sisters, we celebrate Independence Day first time on 15 August 1947. It was national pride and joyful day for every Indian people. Dear audience, there are historical contexts. India had been under British rule nearby 2 centuries. Struggle of independence involved various movement and sacrifices. One of the movement is Tahreek-e-Reshmi Rumal. The movement had led by Hussain Ahmad Madani Rahmatullah alayhi. And second is the Quit India. The Quit India movement was a movement launched by Mahatma Gandhi on 8 August 1942. During the World War II, demanding an end to British rule in India. Third is Swadeshi movement and fourth is the Home Rule movement, etc. The Swadeshi movement was a self-sufficiency movement that was part of Indian independence movement and contributed the development of Indian nationalism. Last movement is the Indian independence movement. It was started from 10th May 1857 and it continued. The Indian independence movement was a series of historic events in South Asia with the ultimate aim of ending British colonial rule. It lasts until 1947 when Indian Independence Act 1947 was passed. Dear comrades, this is noteworthy behind of Independence Day. Many sacrifices have given by Indian peoples. Millions of the Islamic scholars killed in freedom fight of India. If you wanna see India Gate is enough for you, you will find thousands of the names of the Muslims. There are freedom fight of Indian Independence Day. Some people who say that this country only for us, is only for Hindus. I want to say them. जब गुलिस्तान को लहू की जरूरत पड़ी तो सबसे पहले गर्दानें हमारी कटी. अब कहते हो आए अहले चमन, ये चमन है हमारा तुम्हारा नहीं. Dear audience, now write my speech. So thanks to all of you for listening my speech carefully. Happy Independence Day. Best wishes for all you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.